right, today we're going to take a look at writing a rule for an exponential function. So I have a graph here that is an exponential function that's graphed, and I have to figure out what is happening here between my x and my y. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can find some points on this graph that will help me. So I can see here that I have this point here, and that's the point 0, 1. And then if I go over to 1, it looks like 1 crosses here at the point 1, 6. And let's see if I can find one at 2. 2 is way up here, and it looks like it's at 236. So if I think about this in an XY table, if I have 0, 1, 1, 6, and 236, I have to see what am I multiplying by each time, and it's times 6 each time. So my function rule is always y equals a times b to the x. My b value is whatever I am multiplying each value by here. That's going to be my b. And then my a value is going to come from what x is at 0. So based on that, I would have y equals 1 times 6 to the x, or just y equals 6 to the x. All right, let's take a look at another example of one. So here is my graph here. Again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look along this graph and see if I can find some points. So here is the point 0, 2. This is where 1 is. It looks like we have 1, 4. It looks like here we have 2, 8. Let's see, 3 would be here. It looks like 3, 16. So let me see if I can put those values into an XY table, because that'll help us. So let's see, I have 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 8, and 3, 16. So now when I look at this, again, I'm trying to figure out how much is my y increasing each time. My x is increasing by 1, so that makes it super easy. So I can look at my y changing, and it looks like it's times 2 each time. So again, if my rule is y equals a times b to the x, we know that this number here is going to be my b value. I go back and I look at where x is 0, what's my y? That's going to be my a value. So I'm going to say y equals 2 times 2 to the x. I hope this has been helpful.